Hello, good evening, sir. This is my activity on how the proper way of installing a driver in Windows 10. First is click the menu, then settings, updates and security. View optional updates, then click the driver's update, then check that Intel Corporation, then graphics adapter, then download and install. Then download. As you can see, they are downloading, but I don't have Wi-Fi, so it cannot download. So that's good be all. Thank you, sir, and God bless.